Pandas Groupby to find % true and false. I have a column of sites: Canada, USA, China. Each site occurs many times in the site column, and next to each instance is a true or false value. And it goes on. Goal 1, I want to find, for each site, what % of the value column is true. Goal 2, I want to return a list of sites where % true in the value column is greater than 10%. How do I use Groupby to achieve this? I only know how to use Groupby to find the mean for each site, which won't help me here.
Something like this.